Good morning, 4VL. Happy Wednesday. Let's start with a quote. Take it day by day. Don't stress too much about tomorrow. This is an important quote, and it's advice that I wish I would have taken a lot earlier in my life. Focus on what you can do today. Don't think too much about tomorrow or the future. Let's take a look at what your school day will look like for today. For math, your goal is I can apply different strategies to addition problems and see which strategies work better on different types of problems. You've been learning the give and take strategy, standard algorithm, and how to use place values to add. Which strategy works best for you? Your goal for reading is I can practice rereading to confirm and revise my thinking. First, watch the video lesson. Next, read independently for 20 minutes from some of the assigned books on Epic. Remember, pause at least once to write about what we see on the anchor charts in the next slide. Reread all or parts of the story to confirm or revise your thinking. This is due today in your journal. So you'll read for 20 minutes and you'll think about the patterns in the character's actions. What does your character do often? Lie, laugh. How do the character's new actions fit with or change those ideas? So at the beginning of the Recess Queen, Mean Gene Recess Queen, the pattern of Mean Gene was to bully and be mean, push kids and do everything first. How do the character's new actions fit with or change those ideas? So how did Mean Gene's actions change? Ideas to show your thinking is changing. At first I thought, but now I think. In the beginning, it seemed like, but as I read on, it's clear that. The first time I looked at it, I thought, but when I reread and dug deeper, I noticed. In the beginning, he, she was, but as the story continued, he, she changed. For example, it could also be that. Use these sentence stems to write about your reading. Remember to reread. That means read again. For Wednesday, your goal is I can be a wide awake reader by paying close attention to the little details in my books, and I can write to grow ideas about these details using thought prompts. Watch the video lesson, and then use the chart on the next page to push your thinking. This is the same work from yesterday. If you haven't finished, please finish. If you have, go ahead and write something new that you noticed in your book and choose new sentence starters to push your thinking. Your work is due today on Seesaw. On Friday during small groups, you will be doing a writing activity to show what you know about opinion writing. In Unit 2, we learned about opinion writing. Here's your topic. Think about your favorite book. Why is this your favorite book? Does it have great characters? What reasons and evidence do you have to show that this is your favorite book? You can bring your book to small groups if you have it at home. In your writing on Friday, make sure you write an introduction, state your opinion or claim, give reasons, organize, use transition words, and write a conclusion. So this is a warning this is to prepare you for Friday. You think about your favorite book, pull it up on Epic or find it and start thinking about how you might write about it. Today for social studies, your goal is I can identify what goods and services are. First, watch the video lesson. Then look on the slide for the definitions. Look on the next slide for the definitions and examples of goods and services. Here they are. Last, go back to yesterday's seesaw activity. So there's no new seesaw today. Go back to yesterday's seesaw activity. Categorize your needs into goods and services. Add some services to your needs if you don't already have any. I show you how to do this in the video, so watch it carefully. And you have PE with Mr. Jack. Yay. Have a great day, 4VL.